Majority decided that we make the vice chairman the acting chairman.
Si Senator Erwin po.
Senator Erwin Tulfo. So I called him and he accepted the post. So he will be acting chairman until mayroong complete meeting ang majority ulit. We're not discounting any of the 5 names that were mentioned. We're still thinking, and then some of them I think would want to appeal to Senator Lacson. So in the meantime, yun muna.
Pero sir,
Erwin Tulfo muna as acting chair.
Paano po yung magiging process? Bali, kailangan pa rin sa plenary? Announce pa rin?
Hindi. Automatic yun eh. Hindi na maganda doon eh. We don't need to do that in plenary because Erwin is the vice chairman. So therefore, in the absence of the chairman, he automatically becomes chairman. He is automatically the acting chairman.
Sir, paulit lang.
Ngayon.